Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And now these are the basic questions what interviewer ask you, and I can say one by one. These are the basic questions. Okay. Then first one is what is Node.js? How does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side, but it's built on Chrome's V8 engine, making it super fast and efficient. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js uses a non-blocking event-driven architecture that before starting another, this makes Node.js perfect for real-time applications like chat apps and online gaming. This is how it differs from the other side technologies. Okay, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, which is then executed after the parent function completes. In Node.js, callbacks are often used in asynchronous operations like reading files, database queries, or API calls. Since Node doesn't block code execution, it uses callbacks to continue within the next task and come back to the result once it's ready. Okay, this is the second question. And third question, what is the purpose of the package.json in a file node.js project? Can you explain the key properties? Key properties means package.json is the heart of your node.js project. Means it contains metadata about your project like its name, version and other. More importantly, it lists all the dependencies means name, version, dependencies. Dependencies means the packages your project depend on. Scripts means custom scripts like start, test, etc. It helps other understand your project and install all required packages easily with just one command. Next one is fourth one. Question is explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is the common JS way of including modules, while import is the ES6. Means it is a syntax. Node.js originally supported only require, but now it supports import too. If you are using ES modules, use require in older code, or if you are not using Babel or TypeScript, use import. If you are working with modern JavaScript syntax and want cleaner, more standard module handling. Okay. And next fifth question is what is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give me an example how would you use middleware in an express application? Means in express.js, middleware functions are like layers that processes requests before they reach the final root handler. Middleware can log data, authenticate users, pass request bodies, and more. For example, JavaScript copy, edit, app.use of request, result, and next. And what is the RESTful API? How can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful APIs follows REST principles and allows clients to interact with your server using standard HTTP methods. That main HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. These are the main HTTP methods. Get means to fetch data, post means to create new data, put means to update data, and delete means to remove data. Example syntax is here. It's a clean, simple, and scalable. And next one, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager? NPM. NPM is default package manager for Node.js. It helps you install and manage libraries and tools. For example, to install Express, you use bash, copy.edit, npm install express. This adds express to your node modules folder and update your package.json file. You can also now run scripts with it and even publish your own packages. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords is crucial for user security. If your database gets hacked, raw passwords can be exposed. Hashing converts the password into an unreadable string, means even if attackers get the hash, they can't easily reverse it. Libraries like bcrypt are commonly used in node.js and to safely hash and compare passwords. This is the 8th question answer. And these are the most frequent questions which interviewer ask you. And these are the answers. Thank you.